Hello everyone and welcome to another hotel room tour. So today we're going to be doing the Pullman at the Sydney airport, which I think is a relatively new hotel. I'm not quite sure, but I've seen a few room tours for this hotel, but I'm currently staying in one of the disabled access rooms and I haven't seen one for the disabled access room, so I thought I might give you guys a tour of the disabled access room at the Pullman on Sydney airport. At Sydney airport. To start off with, one of the first things you'll notice about this room is because it's a disabled access, a lot of the stuff is lower, so if you're in a wheelchair you'll be able to use it. I'm not sure what the regulated height for all this stuff is, but I'm like 164 centimeters for comparison, and it's about here, so not sure what the regulated height is, but you have a slightly lower little peephole thing there, and then just above you the evacuation diagram. Then of course your door handle. This is the light switch. It's a little funky, but we'll ignore that. And just like the Novotel in Melbourne Central, all of these new hotels seem to be having these do not disturb and clean up room buttons. What's this focus? That's not going to focus, but do not disturb and clean up room, and that'll change a light outside your room so that people coming by will know. And that's just the light card, and it was automatically in there. Then if we just turn around, we get the mirror. It's a full-length mirror, so it doesn't really matter what height you're at, and you should be able to see yourself as long as you're not a vampire, I guess, but not many of those going to hotels, I don't think. And then we have the, oh god, the temperature thingamabob. I'm good at this. So it's at about here. I'm kneeling. So it's about on my shoulder when I'm kneeling, and has all the regular stuff. I don't know how to work these things. So yeah, that's kind of what you get in the entrance here. Then the first door to the left will be the bathroom. I mean mine was on the left, might be on the right, depending. It's one of those ones where it's doesn't really matter. But light switch is here, and it's low, so you get the toilet, shower and sink. These are all heighted, so it has all the bars. Your towels will be there. Backrest has another bar there. And then we have the shower, so it has a little rim thing. I'm not sure what the point of that is, but probably something, I don't know. But the water from the shower does go out pretty far. I think it goes to about here-ish from there, and about here-ish there. But you also have the non-slip mat. You get your normal mat. The shower seat, which folds out. I won't fold it out because it's loud and hard. And you have that. I'm not sure if that's a good height to adjust it at, because it's pretty high even for somebody who stands at 164, but I'm not sure. Shower curtain, it goes all the way around. And then you have towel racks, which are, I don't know the height. I'm not qualified on these regulations, guys, I'm sorry. If somebody who uses disabled rooms could tell me, I'd love that, to see if they're good heights. And the mirror, this is definitely at a good height, so it's low and has normal standard zoom and flip around, and the big boy zoom, good for makeup. And you get your 2 glasses, hand towel, which was over there to start with. You get 2 face towels, a soap bar. You also get some shower gel, shampoo, conditioner and body lotion. And then on this side there's just a little amenities thing. There's a little shower cap, some other stuff, sanitary bag, kind of usual stuff. And just down here you've got bin, tissues and a hairdryer. We've also got a couple of outlets, which are just about at the height of the sink. And if we just pull the door, you've got a little, not shower hook, a hook. And in comparison to a lot of hotels I see, you can also see whether it's in use or it's not in use. So it has a little green and red thing, which is nice to see. So then we come into the main room. So you first see the desk. This might be a bit of a tight squeeze with the chair, not sure. Kind of a thing you'll have to figure out for yourself if you are in a wheelchair and you're deciding to stay here. So you've got a desk and a chair. I just called the chair a desk. That's fine, I'm smart. You've got a notepad, pen, and they're all the Core and Pullman titled things. Pullman magazine, just some of your normal stuff. And this will be on your bed, so the breakfast. Yes, the breakfast order menu and just the in-room menu. And the phone, which is on the wall. And then a light, which turns on down here, and it goes, I think, all the way across. Yeah, all the way across. Some LEDs, then more power outlets down there. Now the interesting thing about these ones is that there's no on switch, so you just plug it in and then you plug your device in and it'll be on. Then up here we've got USBs, which I think that one is for the TV. More power cords, that one's for the phone. We also have a split bin, so recycling rubbish, I don't know which side goes where, it's not labelled. The cleaning stuff, we'll figure that one out. We go up to the TV. I won't turn it on because I'm pretty sure it does show my last name and I'm not really feeling that. But there's options, got to go standard options, and if you can screen share, then you can screen share. As far as I can tell, it's only from phones because I couldn't get it to work with my Chromebook, but whatever. Then we move around to kind of like little storage cupboard thing. This is a super pretty one. This is definitely one of the most like pretty ones I've seen. So you get nice room for your bag. I think my bag's got a standard height, and then you can fit stuff either side. It's tall, I'm not sure what you'd be storing there anyway. And you also get a little drink sort of thing, so 2 more glasses, a couple of wine glasses, another 2 standard Australian power outlets. And if we go down here and open, this is a bit hard to open up, you get 2 cups, some napkins, espresso gold, some decaf, raw sugar, I think this is more sugar probably. And you've got an assortment of Dilmah teas. It's a pretty big assortment, I think. I don't know how many Dilmah teas there is. But then we have your kind of main thing. So on the left side we have just your coat hangers, so like little plush ones, wooden ones, and your 2 bathrobes. This looks like it can be adjusted. I'm not going to try to pull it out, but it looks like it can be adjusted. And then you have your laundry bag. This looks like, yep, their service that they'll do with a laundry bag. Sewing kit, a shoe mitt, some slippers. Okay, we've got a shoe horn, and then a shoe brush, and then more slippers. And a big blanket. Now my one concern is for people in wheelchairs is that this is rather high. So this is at least, let's say we're about 166 centimetres off the ground maybe. Because it looks just a bit taller than me. Well, it's just above my eye height. So yeah, 165 because I'm about there. So hopefully if you are just like somebody in a wheelchair staying on your own, you're able to get somebody to help you to get those down if you want them. But it's Shiraz Eclipse mints, Evian water, and some Red Rock Deli sea salt chips. So that's a bit of a concern, but if you're not using the minibar, honestly, then it doesn't matter. But if you are, then that's a problem. And there's also just one of these, but it's also high, so that's just one of my concerns there. And then on the other side, you've got your fridge and safe. So safe is just standard, it's low, and then fridge up in here, and you get all the drinks, but they're all paid. So orange juice, Red Bull, that thing, Mount Franklin, or Mount Franklin soft drinks, alcohol, and then these two, I'm pretty sure this is definitely complimentary, the Pullman branded water, and the milk should be complimentary for your tea and coffee, and I think this is more. Some alcohol, I don't know. I'm under 18, I don't drink. And then just ironing board, and another thing that might be a little high is the, what's that ironing thing? I'm really good at this. And your kettle, it's a Breville one. Yeah, that's kind of that thing. my two biggest concerns if you are a person in a wheelchair staying is just really getting to that stuff and getting to that stuff, but if you're not using them, then you should be fine. And then we come around to the bed. So it is a big double bed. It's super soft, but another concern. I'm not sure about all the heights for people in wheelchairs and all the regulated things, but it's even high for like somebody who isn't like living life in a wheelchair. It's about at nearly at my hips, so I'm not sure about that. Like, I'm not experienced, but yeah. You've got these which move, not sure why, but they do. You have two power outlets next to the bed because, let's face it, you're probably going to charge your phone there. Then you've got a USB cord and this bathroom nightlight, which I still do not understand. I'm just going to turn it on, and then I'm going to walk into the bathroom and find that there's still no light on. Very sad. I don't know what it does. If somebody can tell me what this bathroom nightlight does, please tell me. And then you also get reading light, which, oh, that did not sound like good. I have never adjusted it. Oh god. It sounds exactly like that, really. Oh, that does not sound good. We'll just ignore that and turn it off and pretend it didn't exist. I'm good at this English thing. And so, I think if you, in an accessible room, you get 6 pillows, in a normal room you get 4, because my parents, they had 4 pillows, rather than 6 pillows. So you get 2 of these like memory foam ones, then you get 2 of these sort of like softish ones, and then the other 2, which I've dumped on the chair, are the super soft ones. They're big square ones. And then around on the other side you have the alarm clock, which is wrong in a lot of the rooms for some reason, but I'm sure you could change it if you wanted to. Another power outlet which is empty, but it has my phone charger in it. Another one of these mystery bathroom night lights, and that which moves. Also apparently has cord, it has an aux cord as well, so if you want to plug that into your phone, play music there you can, but you can also Bluetooth it and apparently call people. That's what I do with my alarm clock as well, just call people. And this light switch, it's very cool, so rather than needing to go up all the way to front and turn off that light switch there that I pointed out earlier, my finger is very blurry, you can just go to this one when you're sleeping, hit it, and everything turns off slowly, and it's very nice to watch. And the bathroom light still does nothing. And then finally, just to round it all off, you get chair and blinds, which strange enough go all the way to the end, even though there's a lot of wall there. And we're on the 5th floor, room 520, and this is the view you get. So you get the nice view of the travel lodge, and over there you get the I think that's the Ibis. You get some of the Qantas carriers, because it's near the airport. Some office buildings, so during the week you can watch people work. Car park. Yeah, great view, gardens. It's kind of what you're getting in this view. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video, the nice room tour of the relatively new Pullman at the Sydney airport. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!